Hey everyone, what's up? So this is the first time I'm ever ordering from Shopee, and this came from an international seller. And yep, this just in, Shopee Express. Yep, it got here. This is the M3 Fitness Tracker Smartwatch Bluetooth heart rate something. I got it for $199. Free shipping, not bad. So we're gonna open it. Everything's sealed. So here we go. Okay. Ooh. Okay, so this is M3, my device, my life. Nothing left. Ooh, it has like bubble wrap in it. It's like a packaging with bubble wrap. So we're gonna open this up. I hope it works. It's $199. I'm not expecting that much, but ooh, hey. It's okay. Alright, so this is it. This is the watch. And do you have instructions? Okay. What is this? Oh. This is it comes with a thing, a screen protector. Cool. It comes with a screen protector and the manual. It's in Chinese though. I don't. Oh, it has an English thing. It's in the back. Okay. How to charge. First, for the first time, make sure the battery is in normal. The power is turned on lit. How to power on. Device is off. Touch and hold the function button for more than 4 seconds to turn the device on. Okay, so I'm gonna read everything and I'm just gonna turn it on. So let's see if it works. Okay, here we go. I hope it fits though. I'm kind of big. I'm strapping it on. And oh, awesome! Blue guy. So I'm gonna hold it for 4 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, it doesn't want to turn on. Weird. I'm supposed to press it hard. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. It's not working. Oh, it's the other way around. The wristband is best worn in the Oh shit. Is it broken? 1, 2, 3, 4. How do you even charge this? How does it? Okay. Let me see. So this goes in there. This is a charger. It's a charger. It's like the USB port thing. So do you charge it? I don't know. So let's see what happens. So oh shit. Okay, hold on. Every place I go, sorry. Every place I go, I think of you. Every song I sing for you. Well, I didn't quite read the manual, but I'm just gonna guess that this is how it's gonna work. Okay, I have like a milk tea there waiting for me. So I don't know how it works. There we go. $199. I hope it's worth it. So I'm pretty sure it works like this. Right? I don't know. So we're gonna try to plug it in. Hold on, let you be with me. I'm plugging it in. So here we go. Oh, it's alive! It's charging! Whoa, that is so cool! So I'm gonna leave it to charge and I'm gonna come back for you guys later on. Alright, that's so cool. Ooh, there you go. Hold it for 4 seconds and it turns on. That is so awesome. Booyah. Charging.